Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Disney credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser in the web address bar at the top, type in Disney credit card login and press enter in the search results that appears on the next page. Go ahead and select this link right here that says these are credit card from Chase and Disney. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the website right here. Click on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner. In order to end up in a login area, go to the username text field and type in your username in the text box. Head over to the password field and type in your password as well. Make sure to double check a password by clicking on this little icon in the right corner. In case you want the system to remember your username, you can click on this Remember Me box, but if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave this box unchecked. In case you don't remember your username and your password, you can click on this Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset to a new password. Finally, after typing in your information in the text boxes, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Disney credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.